Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So this is my Shopify store collection page, and here I am interested to display all the color variants as an individual product so that a customer can able to see all the variations of the colors. If you don't have any color variant and you have any other name of the variant, then still you can separate them out on collection pages and it will work fine. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this feature into your Shopify store. This video is specific for broadcast theme. If you have any other theme, I have already created a lot of videos playlist, so you can explore that, and if you don't find, then you can message me. I will help you out in creating the code. So first of all, you can see the current situation of the store. You can see here I have multiple products but only single color is displaying. So let's say this product, you can see we have 4 different color variations but only single color is displaying on the collection page. So I am interested to display all those colors which are connected to this specific product. So let me show you how you can do that. So go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed broadcast theme, and this is version 6.2.0. if you have any other version of this theme, then still this feature will work. So first of all, you should take the backup of this theme, click on these 3 dots and click on duplicate. So in that way you will able to duplicate this theme, and once you duplicate it, later on if you need the fresh version of the theme, so you can restore it back to its original version. Then again click on these 3 dots and click on edit code, and here in this edit code you will find out that we have multiple folders and files. So basically we are going to follow a documentation which I have already created, and you will be finding the link below in the description. So once you are clicking on that link, then you will be finding these 4 files. So let me open first of all document.txt, and inside of this file I have already given all the steps which are important. So the first step is that create new snippet, and name of that snippet is color-variant.liquid. So let me copy this and then go back here, click on snippets, click on this add new. So paste that name of the file color-variant.liquid and press enter key. So in that way you will be creating a new fresh file which is empty right now. So the second point is create a new snippet color-product-grid-item.liquid. So you should copy this and go back here, and again make sure that you are under snippets and click on this new file and paste that code. So you can see that this is under snippets, and then press enter key. So now we created color-product-grid-item.liquid, and both these files are empty. So let's go back, and here you can see that we have first of all color-variant.txt. So you should copy this code from here, go back here. You can see we have color-variant.liquid and paste that code inside of this file. Then save the changes and then close this file. Go back again, and here we have another file which is color-product-grid-item.txt. You should also copy the code from here, and then after you should go back and paste that code inside of color-product-grid-item.liquid. Once you pasted that code, then again you need to save the changes, and I have saved, and then close this file also. Then we have the third and final step, which is go to sections, open collection.liquid. So let me copy this file name and go back here. Here is the search box. So you should search it, and here you can see that we have collection.liquid. So open that file, and then after you should search product-grid-item. So let me copy it using Control F or maybe Command F. You will be able to find it out. You can see that we have 2 product-grid-item. So you should consider this this second one. So let me remove this, and instead of product-grid-item, you are going to replace it with color-variant. So let me paste color-variant here and then save the changes, and that's it. Now you can see that we have the normal collection page here. If I'm refreshing this page now, so you will see that we have all the colors displayed right here, and if I'm hovering on it, you can see that multiple colors are displaying. And if I'm checking the swatches, so those swatches are also working fine. And if I'm scrolling down, you can see that we have multiple colors, multiple images, and everything is working fine. You can see here all the colors are displayed as an individual product. Here you can see. And if I'm going to any other collection page, then still this will work. All right, so that's how you can actually implement this feature. If you're facing any issues or something, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out in that. So this video was for broadcast theme. If you have any other theme, I have uploaded the code for so many themes, so you can explore it. And if you still face any issues, you can definitely ask me. If you have to create any new section of the if you have to create any new section in your Shopify store, or maybe you have something new to develop, so you can comment me out, or maybe you can directly message me. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so I will help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.